Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will know about storage devices. Storage devices or computer memory. Memory is primarily of three types. First, cache memory. Second, primary memory. Third, secondary memory. Now let's look at each one. Cache memory ranges from 8 to 64 KB. It is very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU, also called CPU memory. Here you should be that this is associated with CPU. This cache memory, also called CPU memory, frequently acts as a buffer between CPU or processor and main memory or RAM. Here CPU then goes to cache. It is a very fast process. This is known as word transfer. Then from cache to main memory. That's why CPU is a buffer between CPU and main memory or RAM. From cache to main memory, it is known as block transfer. Second, primary memory or main memory. It is volatile in nature. It holds only those data and instructions on which computer is currently working. Limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. Third, secondary memory or non-volatile. It is having external memory or permanent memory in nature. It is slower than main memory. Now let's understand memory through flow chart. Primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory divided into four parts: RAM, ROM, cache, registers. RAM further divided into two types: SRAM, DRAM. Static RAM, dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM further divided into two types: SDRAM, DDR-RAM. Synchronous dynamic RAM, double data RAM. Then ROM further divided into MROM, masked ROM, PROM, programmable ROM, EPROM, erasable programmable ROM or UV-ROM, EEPROM or flash memory, electrically erasable programmable ROM. Secondary memory divided into two types: sequential or direct. Sequential is consisted of magnetic tape. It is cheaper, used in larger computer. Here ribbon is used. Here serial access is being done. Direct memory is further divided into three types: first, flash, magnetic, optical. Examples of flash are flash drive, pen drive, memory drive and SSD. Memory drive or SD card. Examples of magnetic memory are disk memories are floppy disk, hard disk, zip disk, HDD. Examples of direct optical disk are CD, DVD, BRD, HVD. So in next lecture we will know about these in more detail. Thank you.